MN. All right, so let's label some angles and then talk about which of those three lines becomes their transversal and what then is their relationship. So here's angle 1 and 2, here's angle 3 and 4, and here's angle 5 and 6. So the first two angles we're going to focus on are angle 1 and angle 3. Okay, so you're going to take your finger or your pencil and you're going to point at angle 1 and you're going to point at angle 3. Angle 1 is attached to line L. It's also attached to line N. And then angle 3 over here is attached to line M, but it's also attached to line L. Which are they both attached to?
Line L.
That means that line L is the transversal. Okay, because they're both attached to it. Okay, you guys see that? Okay, on the previous example, our transversal was up and down, but on this one, it's left to right. So if it helps you, turn your page. You don't have to turn your page, you could just turn your head, okay? But it might help you to turn your page in order to see the relationship between angle 1 and angle 3 as you follow L, which is now your transversal. Are those two angles corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, or same side interior? All right, so let's turn it. Here's angle 1, here's angle 3, here's your transversal. Angle 1 and angle 3 are in that same position as you follow that transversal down. So that's called corresponding angles. Okay, now let's try another one. Let's try angle 2 and angle 6. Okay, so with your finger or with your pencil, point out where 2's at, point out where 6 is at. Angle 2 is attached to line L. Angle 2 is also attached to line N. Angle 6 is attached to line M and line N. Which are they both attached to?
Line N.
Line N becomes the transversal. Okay, whichever one they're both attached to has to become the transversal. So now your transversal is straight up and down, so you don't have to turn your page. And you should be able to see a little better, angle 2 and angle 6, what their relationship is. Are they alternate? Perfect. They are alternate interior angles. All right, let's try one more just to make sure you've got it. We're going to try angle 4 and angle 6. So here's angle 4 up here. Here's angle 6 down here. Which line are they both attached to? What did you say, M or N? M, yes. So line M becomes the transversal. And they're exterior because they're on the outside, and they're alternate. So alternate exterior angles. And that's about as tricky as the assignment will get.